Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back, you guys, with a brand new video today. If this is your first time joining me, thank you so much. My name is Casey and I am excited about giving you some great information today to improve the health of your hair. Now the reason, y'all, for this video, I'm not gonna lie, it's not a reason that I wanted to have to come back to see you guys. However, I know this video is gonna be super helpful to a lot of you guys, especially my color treated girls. So if you have colored your hair, bleached your hair, if you feel like your hair is damaged and your curls are no longer curling, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. So I did something amazing, you guys, a couple months ago. Well, to be more exact, maybe about like 7 weeks ago now, I got my hair colored. And you guys, I had been feeling like, who is this girl? Like my hair had grown out the furthest that I think it's grown out since I've been blonde. Over the pandemic, I didn't get my hair colored for about 3 years. So my hair literally was like almost grown all the way out. Let me insert a couple pictures. So I was like, who is this girl? Like, I need to get back to my blonde, like the golden girl. I need to come back. So I went and got my hair done from my regular stylist and we were shook, you guys. I'm sure me more so than her because she is a beast at what she does. She's an amazing colorist, but she got me the lightest we have ever been, you guys. This is in one visit. And this is with my hair being pretty much back 85% of my natural hair color. And she lifted me up. We literally got platinum, y'all. Platinum. Absolutely am so obsessed, you guys, with my new hair color. So for like 4 weeks, 3.5, 4 weeks, because I had a silk press that I was rocking. I was absolutely loving it, the straight flowiness of it. I will say, just to let you guys know, the state that my hair was in afterwards, my hair felt extremely soft. I paid very close attention to see if my hair was breaking or shedding more than normal, and it was not. It felt so strong and healthy, so I really didn't have any problems during that time where I was wearing my hair straight. I made sure that I applied a light oil to it. I made sure that I wrapped it, you know, just make sure that I was taking care of it in the most basic ways that I needed to do so. About our hair reverting back, I do want to also mention my heat usage. So while my hair was straight, I only put heat on my hair one time and I allowed a stylist to do it, so I didn't do it myself. So I'm pretty 100% sure I don't have any heat damage. I believe this is all from the color processing, but I was very limited with heat, so I wasn't like, you know, going crazy with it, because obviously you guys blonde, you got to be very careful. So I just want to add that in, since I mentioned I didn't have any breakage or shedding, but I also was not abusing it with heat. Literally one touch up from a stylist for my silk press and that was it. So after just enjoying and having fun with this new look for about almost 4 weeks, I was like, you know what? And people were asking me like, when the curls coming back? I'm like, the curls are coming back, y'all. So I got ready to wash my hair. I bought some new hair products, all of that good stuff. I just bought some Bredken All Soft shampoo and conditioner. I just wanted to make sure that I was replenishing my hair with moisture after the processing that it had went through. And then I used my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey hair mask right after. But while I was washing my hair, you guys, and while I was rinsing the conditioner out, I just knew. I couldn't see it, and I don't think I've mentioned this yet. I did get a haircut, you guys. It wasn't really a trim, it was a cut. I'll show you guys the last time that I got my hair done. So I did lose some length, but I wasn't tripping about that, because I'm like, I mean, what are you gonna do? It's dead ends, you gotta let it go and it'll grow back. So I wasn't tripping about that. But in the shower, my hair felt so different already because of the length change. Like, so my hair is a lot shorter than it was before. But I could obviously just feel it. I'm like, my hair literally feels silky straight. Like, I don't feel it waving up, curling up, or anything. So I could tell my first wash. So I stayed calm because I'm like, okay, obviously my hair needs something. I need to figure it out. Also, a couple other things that I noticed when I was maneuvering through my hair in the shower, my hair felt very mushy. Very mushy, very gummy. It didn't feel like it was balanced. So I knew that I was lacking, pretty sure more like on the protein side, but I just knew like, okay, my hair needs some repairing. So I need to go to the drawing board and see, what do we need to do? I also want to give you guys just some brief background about my hair, and I would love if you guys are new to my channel to please click through my channel and check out some of my videos. I have, in my opinion, and I believe it's factual, I have done an amazing job taking care of my hair since I have been blonde. My time going blonde and natural were actually simultaneously, so I did both at the same time. And that's normally like the first thing people ask me is like, how do you have your natural curls and your blonde? Well, I have been able to master that over the last 8-9 years that I've been blonde. So my videos on my channel, you guys, will be super helpful if you guys are looking for some tips. If you're scared to go blonde, but you really like that look, you're interested into it, but you don't want to lose the integrity of your curls and the health of your hair in a whole, definitely check out my channel, you guys. I have been doing this for a while. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. However, with that said, it is always a continuing journey. So I went to work that next day, you guys, and I actually work with a couple stylists, not the stylist that does my hair, but they are very experienced stylists. So I talked to one, she's an amazing colorist, and she saw how the state of my hair that was in. It was in a ponytail, but she could kind of see the state of it, and she also knew my hair previously, so she knows what my curls normally look like. The first thing that she mentioned to me that she recommended was Olaplex. I'm like, So it actually worked out so well because I actually had Olaplex products already at home, and I had some samples that I had been getting from them, but I wasn't really sure how to use them, so I never did so. But what she mentioned is, I was like, oh, okay, I think that's perfect because I do have these products at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in, and I'm gonna tell you guys some details as far as what Olaplex provides to the hair, just so you guys can be informed about that. The product that she mentioned that she recommends to all of her clients when it comes to like processed hair, especially with bleach, is the No. 3 Hair Perfector. So this, you guys, is the original Olaplex Hair Perfector No. 3. So this one is to repair and strengthen all hair types. This is the one that she recommended. She was like, girl, this is what you need for your hair. I'm like, say less. I already got some at home. So this, you guys, is not a conditioner. This is not a hair mask. This is something used prior to shampooing. It's actually a bond builder. So let's just jump in and see what is actually a bond building treatment. Like, let's jump in and see what that actually means. So unlike products that just mask the symptoms of hair damage, hair bonding addresses damage at the molecular level. That's how do you know if your hair needs a bonding treatment? If your hair looks and feels rough, dull, dry, brittle, or broken, your mane may benefit from bond repairing products. Your hair will need bond repair after highlights and coloring services, a chemical service like straightening or perming using hot tools, or if your hair is brittle and weak. So those are some reasons that you may need a bond building treatment. And this is like blowing up right now across the hair market. Like literally all the hair brands right now, I see that they're coming out with bond building treatment. So this is really big right now in the hair industry. You guys, it's like, I'm so glad that she mentioned this because let's just get into it, you guys. Let's get into it. This product 100% works. So I am going to be using it. Today is my 4th time that I'm going to be using it. So I have used it 3 times previously. So what I have been doing is, and I'm going to actually show you guys on camera in a little bit so we won't really get into it too much, but I just damp my hair, I apply the product, and I leave it in. The first time I did it, I left it in for maybe about 10 minutes. No, not maybe. I did leave it in for 10 minutes because that's the direction said you can leave it as a minimum of 10 minutes. And since it was my first time working with the product, I'm just like, okay, let me do it for the minimum. After after that, I was like, okay, let me leave it on a little bit longer, because you can if desired. So the second time I left it on for maybe about 20 minutes, and the third time probably the same, about 20 or 30 minutes. I noticed the most drastic improvement from my first session. Like literally, y'all, when I went back to work, she was like, girl. I'm like, yes. I'm like, it's the Olaplex. Like, it was such a huge difference. So let's go to Exhibit A. And Exhibit B. A huge difference. So I am absolutely a believer, because the proof is in the pudding. So and then this is from the second treatment. It was just a slight noticeable difference. The third treatment I didn't notice as much. But I'm like, okay, let me just be consistent. And then today will be the fourth treatment that I will be doing. So let's go ahead and get this hair down. This color, y'all, is everything. I cannot wait so I can really rock it with my curls. And I will give you guys some information about a couple of the other Olaplex products that I have tried. So I did have a couple samples of the Olaplex number 8, which is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. This one it moisturizes, smooths, adds body and shine. And I also did try their number 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. So I did use this as well. This one was actually really good. It didn't feel stripping or anything like that. So both of these are really good. I'm just not sure if I'll repurchase, but I'm really glad that I have them right now while I'm getting my hair back together. So if you guys are curious about trying these, I do recommend them. And the directions instruct to apply it to damp hair. And remember, guys, this is before shampooing. Alright, you guys, so I shampooed my hair and then I followed up with the Bond Intense Mask, and this is my hair with the mask on it. You guys, don't walk to go pick up this number 3 Hair Perfector by Olaplex, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.